Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into your PSN account and powering on the console. This gives you access to personalization. Once done, press the PS button to open the control center and press PS again to return directly to the home screen. Make sure the controller is paired and charged so inputs register instantly. If you need to update, go to Settings System Software Update to avoid missing features while you customize the layout and shortcuts. Now you customize the layout by highlighting items on the home screen and pressing options to move, delete, or view details. This helps you prioritize frequently used titles. Once items are rearranged, use the library and installed tabs to pin additional games or apps to the home screen so they appear in your main row. You can also select multiple entries to create folders, which reduces clutter and groups similar apps together for faster access during gameplay sessions. Finish by refining visuals and shortcuts. Change wallpapers and themes in settings to make the home screen feel personal, and configure quick menu shortcuts so key functions are one button away. Once done, test navigation to confirm tiles open correctly and the order is saved after a restart. If something goes wrong, icons missing or layout not saving, restart the console first. If that fails, boot into safe mode and choose Rebuild Database to repair the UI without losing games or saves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.